So we've got the old dog basket out today, and we've got some old compost. This is compost that we used on some potatoes last year, and we're just going to reuse it again. But what I'm going to do is going to give it some slow release fertiliser. This is bone meal, and this is just from the pound shop. So just going to give some of this compost a bit of life. And also, while we're at it, we've got this potato fertiliser, and this was also from the pound shop. So I'm just going to mix some of this in. And give it a go. Give it a bit of regeneration. And then we can start planting in the pots. Good job to do while it's wet outdoors. There we go. So that's all we're going to do for this. And then we're going to take our pots. And we've got a few pots lined up. Here's our potatoes. This is all the ones that we've got. As you can see, they're turning a bit green, so we needed to get them in a bit. So this is the buckets we're going to use, and I'm just going to put a little layer at the bottom, and we're going to put 3 potatoes in each bucket. So 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to fill it up to the top. And we're going to let it grow. And these are going to go outside in the garden. There we go. So that's my first bucket. So check out Erica's Little Welsh Garden and her challenge and get involved, and that'd be great. So I'm going to continue now, do the rest of my buckets while it's still raining, and then I'll show you them outside if it stops.